Hey guys, welcome back to 90 Seconds with Chris. Today we're going to discuss options. Options are simply a financial instrument that provide the contract holder the right and opportunity to buy or sell an asset or security on a specific date in the future at a specific price agreed upon in the past. Keywords are price and date. Options pretty much give the holder the rights but not the obligation to buy or sell an item in the future at a specific price. For example, say Apple decided they were going to release the new iPhones a month from today and they were going to be sold at $1,000 per iPhone, and only a limited amount of these iPhones are going to be created, so they give us the opportunity to go ahead and pre-order these items if we're interested. So I go ahead and pre-order the iPhone by going on their website, putting down $100 down payment, and the remaining $900 is going to be paid on the release date. What I just did was I paid $100 premium to purchase an option to get the iPhone on the release date at a strike price of $900. We do options in our everyday lives, but we don't really realize it. On the release date, I could decide not to show up to pick the iPhone, so all I'm gonna lose is the $100 premium I paid to pre-order it. I could also decide to sell this premium or contract to a friend for $200 because he or she really wants the iPhone but didn't get a chance to pre-order it on his own. In that case, I would have made a profit of 100% since I sold my $100 contract for $200. Keep in mind that in this scenario, I made a $100 profit without even touching the iPhone or owning the iPhone. This is what options provide you. You can make money off an asset without even touching or owning that asset. Third scenario is I decided to show up and actually purchase and own this iPhone. With options contracts, you can decide to own the underlying assets of the options. This is the example of a call option where you actually purchase the right to buy an asset or security. The other example is a put option where you purchase the right to sell an asset or security. That's it for the video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.